Hi honeybees! Today is going to be my very first Mary Kay Monday video. So from now on here on my channel, I'm going to be doing mini reviews and maybe tutorials, get ready with me's, any questions like Q&A videos about the business side of Mary Kay, I'm going to be doing on Mondays. And it's only going to be on Mondays. And then on Wednesday or Friday every week I'll have a regular beauty video that does not pertain to Mary Kay. And then on Sundays I'll have my weekly vlog still. So today I'm going to be talking about our awesome brushes that came out with Mary Kay. So I was lucky enough to start right when these launched. And they are super amazing, and that's why I'm going to talk about them today. So first I'm going to talk about our Essential Brush Kit. So this is like our brand, the brand new set, but I'm going to show you the brushes individually, the ones that I use. So it comes like this. So you have 2 face brushes and 3 eyeshadow brushes in this set. And then you have this little carrying case. And it's $55 for this entire set. Now, all of our brushes are synthetic hairs, so you're never gonna have the problem with the bristles falling out and being all over your face. Don't you hate that? I especially don't like that. Synthetic also means that it's obviously cruelty-free. We're not using any animal brush hairs. And then synthetic fibers are a lot better when you're using product. So you're not gonna have a ton of product collecting in the bottom of your brushes where it's super hard to get out and clean your brushes. That also means you can use less product with these. Okay, so the first brush that is in the Essential Brush collection is our All Over Powder, and this is my favorite brush. Oh my gosh. These are so soft as well. And this one's real fluffy and a little bit domed. It reminds me a lot of another brush that's out on the market that's upwards of $70 on its own. Obviously this isn't. So this I use to set my face with translucent powder or regular powder that even has some pigment, and I just lightly dust all over the face. You can use this to soften up contour lines too. It's just a really good all over powder. So that's the first brush. So the next one is our cheek brush, and this one is super unique because of its shape. So as you can see, it has like a domed side right here, like a nice big surface area. Then you have this kind of flatter side on the back and also towards the front. So this brush is great for contouring, for using for blush, and also for highlighting. So this is how I use it. So I flip it upside down, and that is how you kind of get right in that shape of your contour and to carve out your contour. So you can use the fluffier, fatter side, or you can use the edge of the back side to get that real nice shape and contour. Then, so I usually actually use the flatter side to do that. Then I turn it around onto the fluffier side to blend. And then I'll use that fluffier side, this bigger side, for my blush application as well. Then you can use this flat surface right here to highlight your cheekbones, down the nose, Cupid's bow. So it's kind of like your all-in-one cheek brush. Then you have 3 eyeshadow brushes that come in this collection. So the favorite of the 3 for me is the Eye Smudger. So this has a really nice point to it, and it's perfect for getting shadow and smudging underneath the lash line here. It's really good for highlighting the inner corner and above, like right under the brow here. It's really great. I love it. It blends like a dream. And then we have our eye crease brush. Now this one has a little bit of a slant to it, so it actually is the perfect shape to get right into your outer V area. So I like this to place the color and also to smudge along the lash line and to place color in the crease. And then I like to use a fluffier crease brush to blend. Or I will use this brush that also comes in the collection, and this is our all over eyeshadow. And this one is great for packing on color on the lid, but it also is great for blending. So if you want an all-in-one kit and you want to use this brush for multiple purposes, that's what I will use it for. So I use the flat side for packing on the color. Then I'll use the edge, the more fluffier edge here, to blend out my crease color. So that is all that comes in this set, and that is $55. Now we do sell a few individual brushes too that are brand new that I'm gonna speak to real quick. So the first one is our cream color brush. Now this one is really great for applying under eye concealer. It's also great for applying cream eyeshadows. You can also use this actually as a lip brush, and I would use more of the pointed edges for that. So really, I have 3 of these brushes, one for concealer, one for cream products like applying eye primer or cream eye color, and then one for lips. So that is our cream color brush. Then we have 2 different foundation brushes for different purposes. So the first one is the liquid foundation brush, and this is one that I use quite often. So this is a very densely packed brush. So you're gonna get a lot more coverage with this brush, and it does have a little bit of an angle to it. Hope you guys can see that. So it really just like hugs your skin, hugs your face, and allows you to buff in your liquid foundation. And the surface area is really nice, like it's nice and big, so you're gonna be able to get a larger area at one time. Also, because it has that slant to it, it gets into the nose area and underneath here really easy as well. I love this brush. So this is gonna be for your CC creams, your full coverage liquid foundations. That's when you will use this brush. Now, if you're someone that likes mineral powder products, or you're only using like a compact powder foundation, but you still wanna get great coverage, this is gonna be your best friend. And this is our powder foundation brush. And as you can see, it's a little more domed and rounded. And again, it's a little bit more densely compacted, the bristles are, so you're gonna get more coverage with something like this, rather than this amazing powder brush that I love so much, but this is more for just like a very light coverage, setting your makeup, giving you that airbrush look. This is more for coverage with the powder foundation. So you're gonna use this and buff it into the skin again in circular motions all over your skin. So that is our whole brush collection. As you can see, I have mine right here. I use it a ton on my customers and on myself. They're very easy to wash as well. Mary Kay actually does have a great brush cleaner that you can spray on your brushes and just wipe them clean as you go throughout the week. But then they also need to be deep cleaned at least once a month, preferably every other week. And because they're synthetic bristles, they're very easy to clean. Remember, when you are cleaning your brushes, just one more quick tip before I leave you, make sure when you're cleaning your brushes, you don't have them dry straight up and down like this. You wanna make sure that they are either hanging downward so all the water can not be stuck up in this ferrule area, because that will loosen up the glue in your brush and have stuff start falling out. You either want to be able to hang it with a tool of some kind, or have it laying on your table. This would be your table. Make sure that the bristles are on the edge of the table, laying like this, so that air can get all the way around the brush and dry evenly. So just keep that in mind when you are washing your brushes. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you guys enjoyed learning about our Mary Kay brushes and why I enjoy them, why I think they're great. And if you have any specific products that you would like me to speak about and do a review here on my channel on Mary Kay Mondays, please leave those requests down below. I will be doing a full face tutorial very soon for you guys so that you can see all of the products in action. And then I'm also going to be doing a skincare routine. My skincare routine, what I do every morning and night. So I will see you guys again later in the week. Bye for now.